Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Management with Matt. It's Manage to Prosper. Last session we finished the third step in the entrepreneurial process, transferring from the idea to the entrepreneurial firm. Well, for today we'll start the fourth and the last step in the entrepreneurial process, which is managing and growing the firm. Right. The first two tasks in this step are the marketing issues and the intellectual property. All of these things are part of our discussion of the second book in the channel, which is Entrepreneurship 2016, the 5th edition. We have stated before in previous sessions that all the aspects related to marketing will be discussed in detail. We're going to take one of the future channel's books, which is Marketing 2016 by Kotler and Armstrong. Marketing in general is two big steps. So the first one is creating value for customers, and the second step is gaining value back from customers. By creating value for customers, you have to understand marketplace and customer needs and wants. Then you have to create a customer-driven marketing strategy. You have to do segmentation for the market. And targeting, you target the market that you want to serve. And then differentiation, well, you differentiate your product or your service from the others via at least one competitive advantage. And then finally, positioning, where you position your product in the minds of the customers, how it is positioned relevant to the other products. Then comes the marketing program. The marketing program, there are four things combined together in the marketing mix, which are the product, price, place, and promotion. Finally, you have to create fruitful relations with customers and with partners. And finally, you gain value back from customers. Regarding intellectual property, ladies and gentlemen, intellectual property is strongly related to marketing because of the aspect of product. Each and every entrepreneur has to build a strong brand for his or her product or service. And that brand is actually the bridge that connects the product, the value of the product with the customer. For example, for anyone who hears the word iPhone, he or she immediately remembers the quality of iPhone, the value of iPhone, especially the high security. Intellectual property is defined by our book as any intellect or any human intellect. So that's why it's an intellectual effort, or you can say a conceptual effort, but has value in the marketplace. It is simply intangible, and it can come in the form of creativity or unique ideas or anything that is a product of the human intellect. The property has several types. The book mentions actually four. First one is the trademark, and the trademark means simply any symbol or logo or written thing or colors or design or whatever that contribute to the product's value. So these aspects together represent the value that the product is delivering to the customers. Then comes the patent. And patent simply is a legal or federal protection for the entrepreneur or for the person. Makes a shield for him or for her and prevents anybody make or to design or to sell or to use the thing that he or she has made. Patents have several types, such as business models or utility or whatever. Third type is the copyright. And the copyright is simply something related to tangible things, books, poems, plays, songs, whatever. It means that it gives the initiator or the author the right to control how this product or how this offering can be used or can be copied. Usually copying is unauthorized without legal permission. Finally come trade secrets are things that the companies, the entrepreneurs, whatever, not like others to have a look at or to know about. It can be anything which is both in tangible or intangible format, such as books or videos or customer lists, or in the form of a special talk, special advice, how the company works, the operations of the company, how they attract customers, whatever. All entrepreneurs must know the value of intellectual property, because intellectual property is the most valuable asset that any firm has, and that's why firms are advised to conduct intellectual audit in which they can know what intellectual property they have, and as a result they can do steps to recognize, protect, build, capitalize actually on them. That was our session for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay with us every Thursday and make sure to support and spread the channel. Please stay with us, subscribe to the channel on YouTube and activate the notifications bell there. Follow us, stay with us, and participate with us, and share the channel and all its electronic platforms at YouTube, electronic website, MANWIM.com, email viewers at MANWIM.com, and our Facebook and Instagram pages. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next Thursday, where we complete the fourth and the last of the entrepreneurial process. We actually complete the full second book of the channel, Entrepreneurship 2016. So see you there next Thursday, and goodbye.